Can we do it?
The role of drone technology in modern agriculture. Modern agriculture is evolving with the support of technology. Farmers today are looking for ways to improve efficiency, reduce resource usage, and manage large fields more effectively. Drone technology is becoming one of the tools supporting this shift. Agricultural drones can fly above crops and capture a clear aerial view of the field. This helps in understanding crop conditions, identifying variations, and monitoring large areas in less time. Drones are also used for precision spraying. Instead of manual spraying, drones follow planned flight paths and distribute inputs evenly across crops. This can help reduce chemical wastage and improve coverage. For large farms, drones support faster field operations. Areas that may take hours to cover manually can be surveyed or sprayed more efficiently from the air. Drone-based monitoring also helps track crop growth stages. Regular aerial data allows farmers and agronomists to observe changes and plan timely interventions. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace deploy drone technology designed for agricultural applications, supporting field monitoring, spraying, and data capture. As farming continues to modernize, drone technology is becoming a practical tool that supports better planning, improved efficiency, and more informed decision-making in agriculture.